Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. We are back with another interview. So today we have Rishaz, another rapper from Kumbu. Wagipila
Sulenkam. Yes.
Gopini Sulenkam.
Pendabaskop. Yes. Sir.
So Rishaz, welcome to Speaker Now trend. Yes, trend. Tell us is why wave yakho la uthi khona into ephusha Pendabaskop. Ikhona hip hop Pendabaskop?
Yes, ikhona hip hop and it belong apha kum hip hop.
Longa kweni. Uqale ngamuphi unyaka ukurecord?
First na 2015.
2015.
Yes.
Dala ukhona musegaming.
Dala ngikhona egaming.
Dave suke wakhipha something noma like something a project noma ulokushaya ama-CV?
That time since I record I always phone sebenzisa ilanduza phone, then ngo-2019 ngidaqanga le-studio ke ngoku athi ngirecorda ke ngoku i-album ingoma zazi-10 Paralyze. Then I was scoped this words pha la ngoma ka-NF. Do you know NF mas?
No, wakukho NF.
I don't know, but outside.
Akusaqumbu. Okay, this one ngamazi. Mina ngazi aba-local la.
Aba-local.
Yabo ngikho nale background yami ayikho deep kwi-Xhosa rap. Mhlawumbe siqale lapho wena wenza siphi style se-hip hop ngoba nayo ihlukene ngama-categories. Xhosa rap.
Yeah.
Like are you into rap noma lyricism? Rap. Leo gaga something.
Yes. Yeah, gaga, like gaga. I think like Yabo is my favorite artist. Yeah.
So umuntu okude la ngasekubhaleni.
Yo, ubhalo. I did history school, you see. So I love to write.
Yeah. Maybe uyakhumbula ubhala your first song by efike kanjani, like is something
like Khulumente yabo.
Yeah.
Like I have a song Khulumente, like before ndibhala ingoma. Like sometimes ndiyabona into eyenzekayo around my local, you see, or I watch television, then ke ngoku ngibona ba crazy, so ndibhale ngoku yabo. Ndingumntu like othanda ulungisa izinto yabo.
So ubhala before ufika e-studio wena?
Mina andibhale before ndifike e-studio. Late ebusuku. Tonight.
Okay, then masufike le-studio kuba easy wena masonengoma.
Andiphatha kwencwadi.
So the time usabhala ubhalela ku-beat noma nje uyabhala?
Ndibhalela kwi-beat. Ubhalela kwi-beat, after ndibhalile kwi-beat ngondibhalayo siyangena enhloko mos. After ndibhalile ngoku practice into yami, then ke ngoku ifaka enhloko mos ndenzile anduza yabo history nje kuba nenze history. Then ingena enhloko yabo. Njengoba ndiyibethe.
So wena welezi ehle ezihamba zinama-beat efonini ngothola i-chance?
Yeah, chance yabo nje ngilantuze.
Because abanye ama-beat badibana nawe e-studio, then kuba khona eqala ukubhala masefika e-studio yabo. So wena uhamba ne-beat?
Ndihamba ne-beat.
Okay, awukazi ubhalela ingoma ubhalela umntwana because ngiyakwazi ama-rappers aya-catch up.
Ndakayenza bora, ndakayenza sela.
Yathini emotion? Wayithanda ingoma?
Yo mntana, cabanga bra. Ngo-20 that time ndiphuma eJango.
Usalikhumbula igama lakhe?
Salikhumbula.
Okay, jonga camera.
Okay, that time ndisaphuma eJango.
Mhlawumbe ubukele.
So ngo-2021, 2022 umntana ndithola naye kuthiwa nguKhali. Ikhaladi la mntana. So ngolo mntana nondikhethile kulo mntana endazi uba ndiyacula mos yabani singa of course. So uthi man endoni Rishaz ngicela undenzele ingoma. Yabo. La mntana ngicabanga la mntana eyithanda mos i-ambition yabo. Yabo. So ngoku nami naqoma okay endoni mandayibhala le ngoma. Ithi I love you Khali.
Okay, she's serious.
Kitchen too much, right? Then ngoku ndayibhala ingoma, ndayiqeda ingoma. Then after that ngoku ndayithumela ingoma. Ibrother yami ayifunda high school, ayifunda naye same class. So ke ngoku ndamsendela ingoma yabo, akasende song ke ngoku. Then ke ngoku
ngifuna uzi-reaction yakho wathini uma izwe ingoma?
Xa ingoma wonwaba because wamamela si-class. Abamele abantwana be-class baselekile even abantwana ngapha lifika pha yoaqala nje abantwana abanikihaka abantwana.
Esimizwe mswepho sasekubhaleni.
Yeah, I'm too much.
Mhlawumbe kona labantu abama-lyricism laba usumentionile ugqarha, maybe mangimentionile another 4 maybe ubukela kubona.
Okay. And next to see.
Okay.
Then NF because NF is the storytelling yabo. So nami la mntu ke ngoku. Then ezinye artists mfana ndizimamele fuck. Okay, it's MT. Yeah, MT.
So MT awumjudge obenza ikrapper wena because wena awumjudge.
I didn't judge.
Because when the storytelling futhi.
Yabo into different yabo. Cha ke ngoku abantu into enibhidayo yabo. Abantu like bayithanda nduze into yabo iphofu. Xa senzile nduze umculo kanje yabo abantu. Bayasoke bethetha abantu. So kumculo mina I believe that kumculo yabo. We have two hands most. This side is the left side. So I believe that this side is the negative thing, you see, and this side is the right side, is the positive thing, you see. Yeah.
So khona la emusic yakho mekuphele studio noma sikhona indawo soke wafika kuzona performer like noma ama interview la ku music wakho usuke uthatha kusakubantu.
Umusic wami ngiyena ulanduza umculo wami elanduza ngeCostart ngiyena bhukwa pha eCostart.
Okay.
Afika phaya wathi manje performer pha. Then ke ngoku ndaya pha ndafika pha.
Ngikhumbula iveni kuphi maybe ithini iveni yaseCostart le.
Sit down.
Oh, you sit down.
It's afika pha ngifika pha mosa ngikhulele pha kahle cha ndadrokhwa ke ngoku ngoba ndinistode that time yabo. So ke ngoku ndabe ndifika pha ngifike ndidibana nabantu ndaziyo yabo. Ndafika pha ndaperform uperforma kwami zange ngihlale pha ndafika ndaperforma ndabachiya qondami. Ndabuyela ngubheke ke ngoku ekhaya ngipha eCostart yabo. Kuba nalo ikhaya pha. Ndafika ndahlala nje pha ekhaya ndahlala nje 2 days. Bese ngibuya ke ngoku ngiza pha Qumbu.
So apha Qumbu sikhona indawo ka performance zone.
Apha Qumbu eSilengama first. And I perform
kwavaphi.
It's the cover yabo.
So lama event ayenza uLindo Sound nawo usukhona.
Hey, Lindo Sound is my friend.
Oh, okay. Shout out to Lindo Sound.
Oh, shout out to Big.
He's the friend of the show, not
yes, too much.
Yeah,
my friend.
Unswempu naye omunye usithembisa interview Lindo sakufuna nawe usithembisa interview kudala namanje salindi lawo.
Yo, that guy is too much and nothando.
So into abasikho ni record up nase studio le elalini.
Yabo. Yo bro, like yabo I was making my studio for myself, you see. But ke dahlulakala ukuproducer. Kuba ndirecorda KPS lenkamo. Ngoba umjida manje yahamba yabo. Siya eGoli, ngoba mina ke yabo anayo indawo kuba ndingarecorda kuyo ekufitshane because of cost iphuma imali transport yabo. I don't have money yabo. So ke ngoku I was trying to buy ilanduza istudio.
Yeah, expensive equipment in the studio.
Yes. Yo, ndingcama ndathenga. Hayi into ebelibeka angikwazi record.
Wazi producer,
producer andikwazi yabo sekhona kwendlela hayi ngikwazi ukwazi.
So lezi ngoma onazo urecord ephi?
Recorded ku KP Slinkama. Then ngothi that time siya elanduzini eCostart. Ndafuna record ngurhulumente.
Okay, I think samele uzama ukuthi uinvest ukuthi ulene production so that uzokwazi uba productive ukhethe ngesikhathi sakho because wena umuntu onama ideas yabona mawakwazi ukurecorda wena kuzoba easy even ungafunda ukurecorda ama vocals maybe uthi umuntu oproducer.
But I don't want to record because the time when you record don't lose umculo wami. When focus
on production. Yeah, ngiyalizwa lo point lakho le ngiyalizwa nalo but I think kuba simple maso uzazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukumanage isikhathi sakho because abantu baphoqana abantu ba disappointing zolokulindela abantu omunye uzohamba eGoli for 2 months ungarecord yabona inama ideas ahamba because the time efika apha emqondweni usukusene energy so kuzokusiza ukuthi ube nesakhe studio. Yeah,
but don't just thatha ixesha elide.
So masu keep our music wakho la u release up SoundCloud, Spotify like noma usasendela abantu ngama WhatsApp ithini procedure yakho yoku release music?
Looks like I have YouTube, you know. So
ithini channel si plug in YouTube.
RSA.
Oh,
you see. Okay. And TikTok, I have TikTok.
Active le channel yakho noma channel namagqaba 20 years maybe ngo 2015.
No, last year.
Last year.
Yes. That time I was releasing my music video.
Yeah. Another music video?
Yeah, I have 2 music videos.
What should you say, bro?
Around my village, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we are pushing. I'm going to the music video. Especially after we show.
Why artist needs? Why artist needs?
Let's meet Usiras was going to do music.
Music, like that would pass for the time I am a tool.
So itamecula yiphiki sound hip hop na rap
even my sister bro ucula nayo iyacula nayo lebo
so into yasendlini scratch music
so ngisangifezekisa noni iphupho lika Diamond nje bayenza ngakufezekisa
ayasithanda story sakho so ikhona supportive nasendlini
yo it's too much
yo banqabile abantu abakhulu lento yakhe abazali abaningi lento music abayizo
inqadi even like yabona endlini yami ngihlala endlini yami masimenda angithanda uzula thanda uhlala endlini ngikhalisa umculo the time ngikhalisa umculo ngiyabhala anala kwixesha even like bendiyotya bendibukela iTV no bese la ngicela nizeni iTV la nizeni emculweni then kude kufika utamkhulu wami athi no man yabuya wena ungibiza sisonke mas sisonke yo hamba lo mculo wakho ntontoni zotya ego ushophini ubuye ego sabe understand because ba even like nqaqbola luzebo okhupha ingoma then ke ingoma ndiyawa nomculo pha endlini khalisa ingoma zami badlalile pha endlini ngoma
okay maybe ke mhlambe kulonyaka ikhona into ofuna ukuyikhipha like something like singing project enyana ungabatshengisa mhlawumbe abantu ababalandeli bakho
fuck like this year I plan to record a single songs project song
okay uzodibanisa wonke
okabi
na i-title mina ukuthi uzoyibiza ngani
no angayicinga i-title but like yabo into engisayicinga ngiseqala ngifuna banike i-single
okay
asho bebe nalawe because this year yo ize ngenye inamba this style sitsha yabo
okay
esonza abantu babe interest babandimamela bemamela umculo wami sinibabonile futhi abantu ba umculo futhi umculo njani ukuze like bawu support umculo wami
okay
like bandi yabo like futhi ndenze i-story storytelling phakula ngoma even la ngoma pha urhulumente phala dafumana khona yilalo defense
uspeaker nawo uzusifumela yiphi ingoma ngizolo umention ingoma lakho uhulumeni le ngoma yakho maybe ku record engamuphi unyaka wa release nini
2023
okay
ya release ngo 2023 ngoJune
yafumana ya SoundCloud noma ku YouTube
yafumana ya ku SoundCloud
is the same song lo shoot music video
yes
okay I know I think yona ngoma ithemba muzi shoot music video because we are willing to spend kuleyo ngoma isinje yona ithembana
ilithembe kakhulu ngoma
nayo ile style sakho show lezo so yona sound sticker yona okay maybe abantu abafuna ukulandela mhlawumbe kuma socials bakuthola
on Facebook Rishas RSAEE
umspelelo Rishas wakho because igama lakho alifundeki
first you can put capital letter R you see then ube ngu I I'm so sorry. Firstly, you can put capital letter R and I, small letter C, small letter.
Yabo siliconfuse kanjani?
H, big capital letter, you see? And Y, and A, and C.
Awufuna ngathi igama lakhe radio nizo confuse abasazi because alifundeki yabo kunzima nanokulbe omunye uzothi ufuna ukuthenga social media la alibhaleki.
Do you think this name is Fumanate?
Fumanate, maybe that's why ngafuna ulicabanga maybe ushintshe something because what is confuse abantu?
This name that Fumana that time sema propane. That time I was seeing a lot of my front of my eyes, you see. So I think that what happened? Okay. Exing ngiphamisi yabona ngikho imali mina vuxing semphamisi ibheki kanje
ufuna wena la semaphupheni
ngikho imali ke nganyana ngiphamisi ibheki ngiyibhekisa ibheki kanje then yo ayimamqamela ngibona imali that time ngicula ke futhi that no man okay Rishas you see and okay this part ngisayile sami nasebenzisa igama lase India.
Okay, I'll understand now.
The Rishas.
I'll understand it a bit deep.
And fully for money, you will never get the meaning of Rishas.
Yeah, wanna buy.
But get.
Askas.
Yeah, but get on try to buy. The Zami about famous mostly popular. The Zangbani in about Rishas. Okay, Rishas like he. Hell, Rishas is the rich guy. Hell, you see, rich guy.
Sounds about rich.
I know, bro. I know. I don't lie.
Yes. No, okay, maybe asivale khona because of isikhathi asikho uthi uzosiphefumula le ngoma
Hulumende.
Okay, no. Sekhona ku Twitter guys, it's speaker nawe sikhona ku Facebook, speaker nawe. Sikhona ku TikTok, speaker nawe show. So nje sovala ngayi performance yakhe uRishas. Ishayile wena ngoma yakhulumeni. Awe, we out.